In this video, I'll be reviewing the 3-tiered RooLee jewelry organizer or holder that I purchased off of Amazon. I purchased it for $27.99 Canadian on Amazon.ca and it arrived in this box. Here's how it looks in its original packaging before I assembled it. We have the wooden base with the holes in it, instructions, and the tiers. Here it is assembled 2 minutes later. It's pretty straightforward. You just put the tiers in the proper holes and arrange them how you want. The top one extends for necklaces quite high. It's got hole, yeah, okay, it's extending high there. Just showing you guys. And it's got holes there for earrings on the bottom tier. This was my old jewelry setup, very tragic and sad. I definitely was in need of a jewelry organizer. This was not working out very well for me. Here it is, all set up with all my jewelry, all organized. So I have my earrings, my bracelets on the second tier, and my necklaces on the tallest tier. Pretty impressive. The bottom, you can put miscellaneous things, rings, brooches. I was very happy, and so was my son. Overall, I'm really happy with this jewelry holder and stand. It was a really good price and it was extremely easy to assemble, and I think the design is really modern and elegant, and I think this is a really great way to showcase your jewelry. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy videos like these, please subscribe. I will have more to come. Bye!